Meaning of finance house.
Finance house.
Finance house.
Finance house.
Finance house. A finance house is a financial institution that provides loans and other financial services to individuals and businesses. It typically specializes in lending money for specific purposes such as home purchase, vehicle acquisition, or business expansion. Finance houses also offer credit cards, savings accounts, and insurance products. They usually determine loan eligibility based on creditworthiness and require collateral to secure the loan. Finance houses play an important role in the economy by providing access to capital for individuals and businesses that may not be able to obtain funding from traditional banks.